One of the other things we learned this year was the HR diagram, short for Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. And this is to show you how stars are classified based on their characteristics that they have. So you just have to remember how to read one of these and compare and contrast stars. So for example, if you start with the sun is right in the middle of this particular HR diagram. And you'll notice that you can look inside these dashed lines, which means it's a main sequence star. You can go up here to the very top. It has color, which is yellow. You can go all the way down here at the bottom, and you can determine its temperature. As you move to the left of the entire HR diagram, these are going to be the hotter temperatures. And as you move this way, like Barnard Star, Mira, Aldebaran, Antares, and Betelgeuse, these are all the cooler stars on the HR diagram. So then you can also determine the brightness of a star by using the y-axis. And so all the stars at the very top, such as Rigel, Deneb, Canopus, Polaris, Antares, and Betelgeuse, these up here near the top are going to be brighter than these down at the bottom. You also have the dashed lines, giants. If it's inside these dashed lines, it's a supergiant. And if it's in here, it is white dwarf. So you can actually compare and contrast different stars. What I mean by that is you can look at how they're similar and how they're different. So if you were to compare Sirius to Miser, you would say Miser is brighter than Sirius. They're about the same temperature, they're similar, and they're also main sequence stars. So the only biggest difference between them is how bright they are. Miser is a little bit brighter than Sirius. So that is how you use the HR diagram to describe characteristics of stars.